So this is Bradford Beach. That's the pavilion. You got a cabana over there. There's the cars going by. That's Lake Drive. Okay. Basically, here's the beach.
So here I'm showing a map of the location that I'm going to be shooting from. And so I will be at Sheridan Park, and I will be shooting in the direction of Bradford Beach, and we will be able to see the pavilion and the bottom of the beach from over 7 miles, which matches the flat earth perfectly. As you can see here, my observation height is 3 feet. The distance to my target is 7 miles. We will be looking at the Bradford Beach Pavilion and the beach itself.
Just wanted to record my latitude and longitude coordinates. My latitude is 42 degrees, 57 minutes, 40.1 seconds north. My longitude is 87 degrees, 50 minutes, 41.8 seconds west. I'm going to do a pan of my view from the pier that I'm on. You can see that retaining wall. Like I said, this is a little over 7 miles away, and it gets to about 7 miles. You can see the cars going on Lake Drive, or Lincoln Memorial Drive. See the trees there. You can see a little bit of the beach down there. You see a sailboat. That's like all beach there. And you can see the little cars going by. See, there's a car right there. I'm only 3 feet off the water. And see the beach. Now that's Bradford Beach. That's the pavilion. The white little line at the bottom is sand.
I made a little mistake in the sound editing here, so I'm just going to add it in on an edit. You can see the cabana to the left of the pavilion. You can see pretty much to the bottom there. As we pan left, there's going to be a parking lot, and you can kind of see the rocks in front of the parking lot and cars. You can see a little bit of a red area. That's North Point Custard. And then as I continue to pan left, you do see, the rocks along Lakeshore Drive.
Hey, it was worse before. I've got pictures where it was mirroring, and there was obstruction and you could not see. But I've been patient and I've been waiting here throughout the day, and things have cleared up. It's about as far left as I can see. I'm going to pan out a bit and see to the left more this way. You can just see downtown Milwaukee. I'm looking north, west slightly. And it's just a very clear day, and you can see the other piers above me. Come back in one more time. See there's Bradford Beach again. And it's going to focus. I'm in manual mode. The P900 doesn't have the greatest autofocus, I've noticed. So sometimes it's just better to shoot in manual. But you can definitely see the cars there, and like I say, that's not that street. It's not much above the surface of the water. There you can see the rocks, and there's a car going by. So in this situation, we're not really getting obstruction.
There you can see the cabana again and the beach underneath it.
Try to focus. Yeah, that's about as good as I'm gonna get. And yeah, I think this is a pretty good observation. I'm gonna pan her back. I like to do observations about 7 miles because once you get beyond that, it really starts to distort. I mean, I have been lucky in getting, longer observations, like my 44-mile Sheboygan from the beach. And it's, not the greatest quality, but it was a pretty good observation. So, once again, my water temperature is 52.3 degrees, air temperature 55.9, and we're right on the pier here. My little tripod, we're, basically right on the water. You can kind of see these piers aren't that high, like 20 inches off the water. See, basically the one I'm on is the same thing. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this observation and makes you think that at least here in Milwaukee, the water's flat. See you later.